Walking off the ship in Cyprus. Here we are.
Lovely welcome music to
Yes.
Is that where we are?
Limassol? I think so.
Lord have mercy. On our way to do the Blokarting, aka land sailing, with our new buddy Jill.
Hi, Jill.
Jill from Portland, new buddy. Alright, so far from Jerusalem.
Oh, okay. How was it in there?
It was really nice. It was very crowded. We were there on different days.
Right. So this is the port, as you understood. And the passenger
Starting at the base.
the passenger terminal, which is here, and next to it there is a cargo terminal. Now it's operated, cargo. Now it's operated by I think Dubai company from Emirates. They guys, the company DP World, I think they operate a lot of ports around the world.
Oh.
And they take over this one as well. The guys from Greece, from Greece, like from the continent, from the country, they came here and together with locals, with some Cypriots, they killed a lot of Muslims in Limassol as well. And they've been a lot of different villages, and now there are some left, like they're empty, absolutely empty. The villages, nobody lives there except of snakes, you know.
Oh.
And used to be like places where the sort of reservations where they sent the Muslims to live. And and after that, like 11 years later, the Turkish, they came and they said, okay, now guys, this is our turn, and like it's sort of vengeance, so they've got that part. The flamingos coming here during winter, and they're coming soon. That's,
Do you know who's building the casino?
I'm not sure, but I think Chinese with some Jewish guys. I think it's a common sense. Chinese and Jewish.
Listen.
Who else can spend lots of money?
Classic sandwich.
The Arabs.
I was gonna say,
Right, Saudis.
Dubai, throw Dubai in there.
Maybe.
Well, this road feels like butter compared to the last one.
Peter, are you born and raised here?
Oh no! I live here since 2015. Before I used to live in Romania. I used to live in Moldova because my father actually is originally from Romania, and but I used to born in USSR. So this is the place. We have plenty of space to write.
Wow.
Before we start, I'll explain you a few basic things. Okay?
Please do.
Yeah. You just sit down, fasten the belt, and do whatever you want for the next 1 hour. So, ladies, let me explain you the basic stuff. Okay? So as you can see from here, the cars, they don't have any engine, as well as no any brakes neither. No brakes, but
Okay.
the good thing is that with such a wind, you will not have any issues with acceleration. Okay, but I think you need to know how to stop that. Yeah.
Yes.
So, no.
Oh.
So please don't pull out your hands and legs out of the cart while it's moving. Okay, this is.
Oh, somebody got some air. Ooh, you can feel when the wind just kicks. Woo-hoo-hoo, getting squirrely. The wind kicks up. It's the whole demonstration about what to do when your blow cart flips over. Apparently it's super easy and very safe and you should be okay. Just pull this rope taut and it tightens up my sail and catch the wind. This is like such a neat little environment. Just here riding around like children. It's awesome. There's Meredith! This is wild! Like if you're not in the wind, you will like dead stop. It's crazy. Okay, this is dangerous. Bye! A rope tighter.